When grace breaks through, fear loses its grip. You are free to walk in peace, to stand in courage, and to know you are loved beyond religion's chain.
Welcome to episode 18. Fear is one of religion's strongest tools. Fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of punishment, but grace frees you. Today we will explore how understanding God's grace removes fear and replaces it with peace, confidence, and joy in your faith.
For God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, and of love, and of a sound mind. 2 Timothy 7.
Fear is often inherited from religious traditions. It can control your choices. It can silence your voice. It can pressure you into compliance. The first step to freedom is recognizing the fear for what it is, not from God. Grace reassures you that you are loved, accepted, and secure in Christ. No punishment, no judgment, no guilt can separate you from His love. Where fear once ruled, peace now reigns. You can move forward with confidence in your faith. Religious fear relies on human rules and threats. God's promises rely on His love, mercy, and faithfulness. Trust His word. Trust His care. Trust His plan. When you do, fear loses its power. Grace gives strength to resist fear-based pressure. It empowers you to speak truth with confidence, set healthy boundaries, and walk freely without guilt. You are not accountable to fear, only to God. Fear cannot follow you where grace leads. Step into freedom. Step into joy. Step into peace. You are free to follow Christ without anxiety, guilt, or pressure. As you walk free from religious fear, your example teaches others. Freedom in Christ is possible. Faith can be joyful, not stressful. Grace overcomes manipulation and control, and your life becomes a testimony of peace and courage. Thank you for watching episode 18. Grace frees you from fear. Stand firm. Walk in peace. Trust God completely. See you in episode 19.